Today I'm going to show you how to apply camera shake effect in Clipchamp video editor. So here I have a video added to the media in Clipchamp. Now I'm gonna drag and drop this video to the timeline and then drag and drop the same video over this one. So we have two videos stacked one above the other like this. And next we have to navigate to the point in time where we want to add the camera shake. So it would be around this point in time where the guy hits the ground here. So now let me use this plus sign to zoom in as much as I can. Okay. And now I need to select this clip here at the top, and I'll use arrows left and right to find the exact keyframe where I want to start splitting the clip. So the legs are looking straight, and then the next keyframe, it looks like they're getting bent. So this is where he hits the ground, and this is where I want to start the camera shake. So I can use this scissor sign here to split, or as you can see it says split S, which means I can just click S on the keyboard, and as you can see the clip has been split. Now I'm just gonna move one keyframe to the right, click S again, and just continue splitting for the next few frames. So now I have split 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so one more. Okay, now I'm going to place the playhead over this first keyframe, select that keyframe, and then here on the video, on the preview window, I'm just gonna drag this top right corner up like this. Next, I'm going to move the playhead to the next keyframe, select that keyframe, and then I'm going to drag this lower left corner like this. So basically we're just repositioning the clip. Now the next keyframe, I'm going to drag the lower right corner, and this next one I'm going to do the upper left. And then the next 4 frames, I'm just going to repeat the same. So top right, this one, lower left, next bottom right, and the last one I'll do here is the top left. So just repeating the sequence. Okay, now if I replay this clip, there you go, that's our camera shake. So now I don't really need these other parts here. I'm just going to keep these keyframes where I adjusted the size of the clip. Now if I replay once again, and that's quite a decent camera shake there in Clipchamp. So I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial.